Hey guys, it's Romeo, and I'm with my friend Ben here, and we're doing an
Jesus.
Unboxing!
Jesus hell. What the? My god.
Alright, so actually we're building some computers, so we have computer parts here. And I guess we'll start with the motherboard, or?
Yeah, the motherboard.
Yeah, so I got ROG STRIX B450F gaming motherboard.
Pretty much everything is already pre-installed.
Yeah, we just went to a store and they just kind of put it together for us, so we didn't have to screw it up. But we got some other stuff we gotta put in, but we're gonna build this up.
Put the CPU fan, the RAM, and they installed all the firmware and everything, so.
Yeah, cool.
So if it's anything goes wrong, it's their fault.
Yeah, exactly.
Exactly.
Shoutouts to Memory Express. What do I do with this now?
Let's put it to the side.
Let's put it aside. All right.
I guess.
Well, we got our friend Alvin here. Alvin, come here. Just show your head in like a little bit. Yeah, get a little closer here. Like, yeah. There we go. All right. Here you go, Alvin. Let's put this away. Can I show yours?
Yeah. So I pretty much got the same thing, but it's more like I got this, and then Romeo copied me and got the other one.
Okay. So what actually happened was that.
Sick. So I got pretty much the same thing. It's a B450, but this is the Tomahawk Max. I got it because it had good reviews. I knew it'd be compatible with like the rest of the parts, so. Yeah, that's good.
Cool.
So basically, initially our plan was to get the Ryzen 3600X. So X being like overclockable, and then we initially wanted the 36X, but they sold out. So we're like, they asked us, do you want to upgrade for $200 to get the Ryzen 3700X? And we're like, I guess.
How many cores?
How many cores?
Yeah, Romeo, how many cores?
Hold up, I got this. It is. Yeah, I didn't say it. I'm pretty sure it's 8 cores because I kept hearing Ben say that something. So now what do you have next?
To go with the motherboard and RAM, maybe we should do this first. So we got 32 gigs RAM.
So like RAM is like kind of what helps run the programs on your computer. Actually, this lights up too, right?
Yeah, it lights up. The whole thing lights up.
So once we have the whole setup build, we're gonna do a time lapse and everything. Then you can kind of see the end result of this computer. We got like a 1 terabyte SSD.
1 terabyte.
Ooh. There's 2 types of hard drives. This is just faster. Make it plain and simple. Cool. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, there's more to it, I guess.
There's more to it, but yeah. Sick.
Cool. All right.
Next. Yeah. Let's do this next.
Oh, you want a knife, man?
Oh, we gotta unbox it, right?
Yeah, I gotta box it, dude.
Gotta unbox it. Oh my god. Power supply you shouldn't have.
It is a 12-volt rail layout.
Now you're just throwing gibberish.
I know.
Get out of here. I actually just throw gibberish. Okay. So this power supply is what this power supply actually is. It's a 750 watt, silver rated. Really the rating just really matters on like the energy efficiency. The lifespan and stuff is still good. But you just be using like 2% more energy compared to using like a gold or a platinum.
Guys, this cord is thick.
Yeah. We got it's a semi-modular. So what that means is like the important cords for like the motherboard and stuff, it's all pre-attached. So if you could show them, it's like, it's already pre-attached. You can't detach these cords.
Yeah.
But the ones that go to the other ones, the other parts, those come separate. So you can just attach what you need.
Oh yeah, here's like that of the cord, right?
Sick.
All right. Now the piece, the resistant. We have the AMD Radeon RX 5700 XT.
This costs like as much as half of our build, pretty much.
Yeah, pretty much.
So the reason we got this, it's like almost $100 more for like the extra fan it gives. Cause this says triple fan setup compared to the 2. Usually it's 2 fans. But yeah, this is the top of the line, what's it called, model for 570 XT, so let's do it. Whew. anything at the bottom? Okay.
I think that.
That's it. Wow. Oh, I just opened it normally.
Yeah.
Nice.
ASMR, you know, like.
That is so sick.
Fellow gamers. So yeah, this is the graphics card. What else do we have to open up? All right, so we actually have our cases here. I bought the Corsair, I don't know how to pronounce it, Carbide series, 75R. Yeah. Ben got, what is this?
I got the Thermaltake View 37 RGB.
You know, but Ben, you know,
Yeah.
size isn't everything.
No, this is exactly our situation right now.
Oh yeah? Oh, yeah? All right.
All right.
Can you see me in the frame here?
Oh yeah.
So yeah, I got this case because it has the, what is it called? What kind of glasses? Tempered
glass.
Tempered glass, right? Yeah. So I can just see all the parts inside I'm gonna put for my PC.
You can sit on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me just unbox it.
Oh.
Yes. Sick. This case has a vertical GPU mount. It's got a lot of fans. And you can put everything sideways.
We're just gonna probably just build this right now. It's not much commentary, and when we start doing the testing and stuff, we'll be back.
Test it out first.
All right, so we're just about to test this finished build, I guess. Let's see if it runs. Yeah, watch and learn, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah, whenever you're ready.
Ooh!
Is the monitor
It's
on?
stopped.
It can.
Oh.
At low temps, remember? It had that warning I actually read. It had that warning I actually read.
Whenever you get a case, make sure you keep all the instructions. It's really, really important.
Yeah, it's in the.
Oh, there you go.
Hey.
Good. We're good.
Thanks.
Oh! Oh shit!
That looks fancy.
Oh, the lights went on. Holy shit.
What do you say? Subscribe, like, no, like. Yeah. Like, subscribe, comment. Yeah, that stuff.